Next, quick trick 6. It is a combination of 4 simple cases. First, we'll have a look at the generalized expression, then we'll move on to the individual cases. If a value changes successively by x% and y%, then the resultant percentage change is given by x plus y plus xy over 100%. This is a generalized expression based on which the 4 cases can be defined here. If the value increases by x% and y% respectively, then the resultant percentage change is same as your generalized expression, which is given as x plus y plus xy over 100%. Next, case 2. If the value increases by x% and decreases by y%, then the resultant percentage change will be x minus y minus xy over 100%. Here, the decreasing value is represented with negative sign. Next, consider a decreasing x and increasing y, so that the resultant percentage change will be minus x plus y minus xy over 100. Next, in case 4, let us consider the decreasing x and decreasing y, so that the resultant percentage change would be minus x minus y plus xy over 100%. I hope you got the point here. In the generalized expression, if x and y are positive values, it is the same. And in second case, as we have a negative y, you need to replace this plus y with minus y here as well as here. Similarly, in case 3, you need to take a negative x, and in case 4, you need to consider minus x and minus y, and minus x multiplied with minus y gives a plus xy.